Hey everyone, Sterling here. I'm going to do something a little different today. I want to show you the end result before I dig into the flow itself. The purpose of this agentic workflow is to help with the monotonous and tedious tasks. In this case, we're doing a competitive research on the company Stripe. However, you could put any of your own companies in there. For a list of all the prerequisite APIs and prompts I use, go check out my community post in the Postman community. Links are in the description down below. So here I have my competitive analysis. And in the beginning, I've got an executive summary with key insights. And in this case, I'm doing Stripe. And then I go in and I've got direct competitors and indirect competitors, followed by common pricing, then going down to features, followed by customer sentiment. Finally, looking at competitor positioning, and at the very end, coming up with my final summary as well as findings. Let's take a look at the flow itself. This competitive analysis agentic workflow is massive, but when you break it down into its individual components, it's a lot more manageable. Let's take a look. We're going to start by taking the company and using a template block, create a simple prompt. Who are the direct and indirect competitors for the following company? Said company. And then I'm going to take Perplexity's Sonar Pro API and pass that initial prompt in to get a list of the direct and indirect competitors. Once I get the response back from Perplexity, I turn this into a much more simplified response using Create with AI block. In this case, I want to create a simple JSON object with the following format: direct competitors with an array of direct competitors and indirect competitors with an array of indirect competitors. From there, I'm forking and doing a compile competitive analysis with customer insights, and that is a module in and of itself. Let's take a closer look at compile competitive analysis and customer insights flow module. I'm going to start with the competitor and the company itself, and then I'm going to ask it a couple of various questions. Let's take a look at the pricing, the feature set, the customer value perception, the competitive positioning, and finally, customer testimonials. And then I'm going to pass each one of those questions into its own new flow module, which simply goes to OpenAI's new search AI, and it's going to search for that individual piece of information and give us the output. Then I'm going to compile all of that into a single analysis record. Now that I'm back in my original agentic workflow, let's take a look at what we're exporting. In this case, I'm going to simply display all of that, and this is a massive amount of research. So much is in. After that, I'm going to do individual analyses on this. I'm going to analyze the competitor pricing strategies, the competitor features, and the competitor sentiment. And each one of these is going to have a display block simply so I can see what I'm exporting. And I'm doing this research for both direct and indirect competitors. And then now that I've done all of that research, I'm going to compile it all into my final report. I'm going to start by creating an executive summary. Then I'm going to do the pricing analysis. I'm going to compile the feature analysis and the sentiment analysis, the positioning. Everything is then put into this template block and aggregated into the final summary report. Now I can copy and paste this into Cursor where I can make my final report. So there you have it. We have a full competitive analysis for any company you want to research on. And this was all done using Postman Flows and a couple different APIs. In this case, I'm using Perplexity and OpenAI Search. This competitive analysis workflow is available in our public workspace with a link in the description down below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more API and AI content. Thanks for watching.